Get ready for a premiere year at Sight and Sound Theaters. 2 all-original Sight and Sound musical productions will premiere in 2012. One in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, and the other in Branson, Missouri. Sight and Sound's purpose is to present the gospel of Jesus Christ by visualizing and dramatizing the scriptures through inspirational family productions. What began with a photographer, his wife, 3 slide projectors, and a calling from God to present the gospel, Sight and Sound has grown into 2 of the nation's largest theaters, located in Branson, Missouri, and Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. With over 600 committed and faithful employees, Sight and Sound's productions have been seen by over 14 million people. Sight and Sound is known for its 300-foot wraparound stage, spectacular sets, hundreds of live and animatronic animals, professional casts, and sweeping musical scores. But most importantly, Sight and Sound is known for portraying timeless Bible truths to create an inspirational and uplifting family experience. Premiering in the spring of 2012 in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, is our brand new, all-original Sight and Sound musical production, JONAH.
JONAH is a crazy story. It's this prophet, this guy that is religiously, spiritually a leader in the community, someone that everyone looks up to. And the Lord has a personal relationship communicating back and forth with him. And the Lord speaks to this guy and says, I want you to do something for me. And this model of what we're supposed to be does the opposite thing. You're rooting for him, going, Jonah, if you would just stop and take a look at yourself in the mirror, you would see how easy it is to let go and trust the Lord. That is all packaged in probably the most high energy, fun, vibrant, pretty show we have ever done. It is a non-stop, energy-packed, powerful story that once the audience sits in those seats, it takes off and keeps running, just like Jonah himself, who keeps running the whole way through. You will be surrounded by the show, engulfed by the underwater experience. The whale will swim right over your head. The boat will look like it's coming out over the audience. From start to finish, the show is jam-packed. It is fun, it's funny, it's endearing, it's powerful, it's life-changing.
This high-energy, action-packed, family-friendly epic is sure to be a Sight and Sound classic. And ringing in the 2012 holiday season in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, is the Christmas musical that's become a holiday family tradition, the heartwarming and inspirational Miracle of Christmas.
Servant
enjoy our on-site Christmas festivities, meet biblical characters and animal actors while enjoying elaborate decorations and holiday refreshments. Make your visit to Sight and Sound a family Christmas memory. The 2012 season at our theater in Branson, Missouri arrives with great anticipation. Premiering for the first time in Branson is Sight and Sound's all-original musical production, Joseph. This awe-inspiring biblical epic comes to Branson after an extraordinary showing at our theater in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania.
Unlimited, these things I see, a universe of possibilities here for me. I see you here, I feel your hand, vast and mysterious is your plan. Oh, if all things start and end with you, then I can believe that dreams do come true. Dreams do come true.
An incredible true story of integrity and adventure. Joseph has powerfully resonated with our patrons, becoming an instant audience favorite.
Sight and Sound's production of Joseph is amazing.
Love the dancing, the sets, the costumes, the music.
Horses, donkeys, camels, llamas.
I felt like I was just transported back in time.
I liked it when Joseph flew into the sky.
It was fantastic. I absolutely recommend the show to everyone.
You have got to come and see Joseph.
Joseph beautifully captures the heart of our ministry. Spectacular entertainment with the gospel message of hope. Joseph is an epic story of dreams and the power of forgiveness. Experience Joseph and be inspired to dream. Creating an opportunity for lives to be changed through the messages of forgiveness, second chances, and unconditional love. That is Sight and Sound Theater's calling. That is our purpose. With an incredibly talented team of designers, artists, animal trainers, seamstresses, technical crews, actors, ushers, and so many more, we're staying true to our mission while taking steps to innovate and enhance the Sight and Sound experience for a new generation of patrons. As we get ready for a premier year in 2012, we give thanks for God's faithfulness in the past and look forward with excitement to the great things He has in store for the future. For more information, become a friend of Sight and Sound on Facebook and make sure to visit us at sight-sound.com. Sight and Sound Theaters, where the Bible comes to life.